Elevate your home bar with a refined touch that merges precision and performance. This innovative ice sphere maker crafts 2 crystal clear spheres in just 50 minutes and securely stores up to 10 in its compact, frost-resistant chamber. The perfect match for bourbon, scotch, or any cocktail that deserves a chilled yet undiluted finish, these slow-melting 2.4-inch spheres add both function and elegance to your glass. Venturing off the beaten path should be exhilarating, not exhausting. Whether you're hiking steep ridgelines, traversing rocky forest trails, or powering through extended excursions, physical strain can limit the full potential of any adventure. That's where the Densy's X1 steps in, not just as an exo-suit, but as a seamless extension of your strength and endurance. With a 1.2 horsepower output, this wearable powerhouse brings smooth, secure assistance for every motion. The Canvas 16 Gen 3 redefines the digital art experience with its cutting-edge features, providing artists with a tool that blends high performance with user-centric design. Equipped with a 15.8-inch display and 2.5K QHD resolution, this tablet ensures crisp, detailed images with a 186 ppi pixel density, making it ideal for fine lines and intricate designs. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the Aimate tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Cooshu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. Technology meets precision engineering with the Microbit XGO Rider, a compact programmable bipedal robot built to inspire innovation. Designed for both education and entertainment, it features powerful all-metal magnetic encoding bus serial servos at its joints and a FOC wheel hub integrated motor for smooth drive performance. This allows the XGO Rider to perform 360-degree full-range, flexible movements with stable posture control, tackling complex motions effortlessly. Boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering, the Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. The Charge Card by Aquavolt is a revolutionary portable charger that delivers power when you need it most, all while being small enough to fit in your wallet. Measuring just 3.3 by 2.3 by 0.18 inches and weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your devices powered. With built-in interchangeable charging cables, it's compatible with all major phones, including Apple and Android devices. The Kindle Scribe offers a seamless combination of digital reading and note-taking in one device, designed for those who seek a streamlined, efficient experience. With its redesigned flush front display and uniform white borders, this 10.2-inch tablet elevates both reading and writing tasks, providing a clear and smooth surface for extensive notes. Whether you are marking up documents or writing in the margins, the Active. This device includes a built-in notebook, allowing you to jot down meeting notes, to-do lists, or personal thoughts. Step into a new dimension of digital interaction with Rokid AR Lite. Designed to merge convenience with cutting-edge spatial computing, these lightweight AR glasses pack serious capability into a sleek, travel-ready frame. With a 3 degrees of freedom system, Rokid AR Lite tracks your head orientation with precision, offering immersive control without the bulk of external sensors. Run 3 apps simultaneously and effortlessly multitask. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSire Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Radiating warmth and elegance, this eco-conscious heater redefines what it means to heat a space naturally. Built from terracotta and powered by bioethanol, it spins a living vortex of fire, bold, contained, and magnetic. More than a heat source, it's a visual centerpiece, delivering both performance and atmosphere without relying on gas lines or electricity. At its core lies an aerodynamic marvel, a terracotta body engineered to accelerate airflow and amplify thermal lift. The Lumx double-headed LED desk lamp offers a modern solution for any workspace or home that requires versatile, adjustable lighting. Featuring dual heads, this lamp provides wide, even light coverage, perfect for multitasking or setting the mood in any environment. The lamp allows users to easily adjust both the color temperature and brightness to suit different tasks or times of day. Equipped with energy-efficient LED technology, it delivers bright illumination while minimizing power consumption. Logitech Wave Keys offers an ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort without compromising productivity. Its compact size brings the mouse closer to your body, encouraging a more natural shoulder position, unlike traditional full-sized keyboards. Wave Keys takes comfort further with its wavy layout, which naturally aligns your hands, wrists, and forearms for a more relaxed typing experience, reducing strain during long work sessions. Mounted elegance meets modern functionality in the Cooshu X36 Pro Max magnetic iPad wall mount charging stand. Designed for those who demand a streamlined, clutter-free workspace, this mount transforms your iPad into a floating second display with no desktop footprint. Charging is swift and seamless thanks to its built-in 18-watt magnetic smart connector, leaving your USB-C port completely available for hubs, drives, or external displays. The Goumia Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Goumia ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, The Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. Step into a new dimension of atmosphere and creativity with the Kino, a striking retro-modern effects projector that brings the magic of analog light shows into the heart of your home. Inspired by the vibrant energy of the 70s but built with today's sustainable materials and LED technology, the Kino is your gateway to swirling visuals, dynamic color shifts, and pure creative freedom. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. When the weather turns brutal and the terrain gets unforgiving, you don't adapt. You outmatch it. Built for those who move with intent, the Dark Heat 2.0 tactical heated outerwear is engineered with a purpose-driven philosophy. Every stitch counts. Every feature earns its place. Designed using 4-way stretch waterproof fabric and reinforced with a high neck collar, this all-season tactical jacket offers a blend of rugged performance and urban precision. The tailored fit ensures clean lines without sacrificing mobility, while the modular design integrates seamlessly with your lifestyle. For creative professionals in the culinary arts, precision and personalization elevate presentation. The Evabot food print pen merges compact portability with cutting-edge technology, empowering chefs, bakers, and baristas to bring edible art to life on cookies, cakes, macarons, and even foamy beverages. Whether branding bar drinks with QR codes or topping cupcakes with text, this handheld printer enables consistent results across curved surfaces thanks to its built-in roller sensor. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corio, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corio defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Cold nights shouldn't mean restless sleep or frantic fumbling with boiling water bottles. Designed with backcountry comfort in mind, the Hot Pocket is a modern, heated stuff sack that transforms your outdoor rest into a cozy retreat. It's more than a storage solution. This innovative gear features twin battery-powered radiant heat panels built directly into its insulated lining. Whether you're stargazing in the mountains or tucked into your tent at base camp, the Hot Pocket is your personal source of warmth at the push of a button. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned, balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this ring isn't just a fidget toy, it's a precision-engineered mechanical masterpiece for your fingertips. The world's most powerful titanium fidget toy mechanic ring redefines portable stress relief with a rugged edge and industrial appeal. Designed for those who admire stylish minimalism and functional performance, the ring spins, clicks, and transforms, all within a sleek metallic frame that fits comfortably on your hand. The FLIR MR277 is a powerful all-in-one building inspection tool designed to enhance your workflow with its high-resolution thermal imaging, moisture detection, and advanced measurement capabilities. This system is perfect for efficiently locating and documenting issues like moisture, air leaks, and building envelope problems, making it essential for any professional involved in building inspections or maintenance. The MR277 combines multiple measuring modes, allowing you to scan large areas with its 160 by 120 thermal sensor. Precision meets compact power in a tool designed for creators who demand performance without compromise. This 10-watt mini laser engraver is engineered for fast, efficient operation while offering the versatility needed for working with wood, metal, leather, and more. Delivering 10,000 milliwatts of focused laser energy, it cuts cleanly and engraves with sharp, accurate detail, perfect for both personal projects and professional production. The Livescribe Symphony is a cutting-edge smart pen that seamlessly merges traditional handwriting with modern technology. Designed to capture everything you write, draw, and hear, this pen connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, offering the perfect blend of paper and digital convenience. The integration with the Livescribe Plus app transforms your notes, making them interactive and easier to manage. As you write, the Symphony records audio in tandem, allowing you to revisit any part of your notes with precision. In a world where robotics must adapt seamlessly to human-centered environments, the Unitree G1 steps forward, not as a tool, but as a collaborative agent engineered for real-world engagement. Built with precision mechanics and expandable intelligence, this humanoid robot balances dexterity and agility with refined motion control, all within a compact yet powerful frame. Start your morning shave with a smarter tool, not a dull blade. The Carbon Razor Blade Cleaner brings new life to your razors using a specially engineered carbon pad that goes beyond surface cleaning. Through dual cleansing action, it sweeps away microscopic residue and stubborn buildup that dulls performance. With each pass, it resets the edge of your blade, so you get a sharper, smoother glide every time.